Right now, while you're watching this video, there are people using 5 specific AI tools to build wealth faster than most financial advisors could ever help you do it. And the wild part? Most of them aren't tech geniuses. They're regular people, teachers, nurses, delivery drivers, who found the right tools before everyone else caught on. I'm not talking about some sketchy app that promises to double your money overnight. I'm talking about real, legitimate tools that are already being used by thousands of Americans right now, quietly. While the mainstream financial world is still catching up, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which 5 tools these are, how they actually work, and how to start using them today, even if you've never invested a single dollar in your life. Let's get into it. Section 1: Why this is happening now. Here's what most people don't understand about the AI boom. Everyone's talking about AI taking jobs, or AI writing emails, or AI generating pictures. But the real money isn't in watching AI happen, it's in using AI as a tool before it becomes common knowledge. Think about it like this. In the early 2000s, the people who learned how to use basic online trading platforms had a massive head start over people still calling a broker on the phone. Right now, we're at that exact same moment, except this time it's AI-powered investing tools instead of online trading. The tools I'm about to show you aren't secret, they're publicly available. But most people simply don't know they exist, or they assume AI investing tools are only for people who already have a lot of money. That's not true anymore, and that's exactly why this window of opportunity is still open. Section 2, Tool 1. The first tool is an AI-powered portfolio analyzer. Instead of guessing whether your investments are diversified correctly, these tools scan your entire portfolio and tell you exactly where your risk is concentrated. Here's a simple example. Let's say you've been buying stocks you like, maybe some tech companies, maybe a few dividend stocks, without really thinking about how they relate to each other. An AI analyzer will look at that portfolio and tell you, in plain English, 70% of your money is tied to the same economic risk. That's the kind of insight that used to cost hundreds of dollars an hour from a financial advisor. Now it's available for free or for a few dollars a month. This matters because most investing mistakes aren't about picking the wrong stock. They're about not realizing how exposed you already are. Section 3, Tool 2. The second tool is an AI tax optimization assistant. And I want to be clear here, this isn't about avoiding taxes illegally. This is about using legal strategies that most individual investors never think to use, because they simply don't know the rules exist. These tools scan your trading activity throughout the year and flag opportunities for something called tax loss harvesting. Basically, selling an investment that's down to offset gains elsewhere, legally reducing what you owe. Big hedge funds have used strategies like this for decades. Now, AI tools are putting that same strategy in the hands of everyday investors. The disclaimer here is simple. Tax rules vary based on your personal situation, so always confirm with a tax professional before making moves based on any tool's suggestion. But knowing this strategy exists at all puts you ahead of most beginner investors. Section 4, Tool 3. Tool number 3 is where things get interesting. AI-powered market sentiment tracking. These tools scan massive amounts of financial news, earnings calls, and market chatter, and boil it down into a simple signal. Is sentiment around a company or sector improving or getting worse? Now, I want to be honest with you about something important. No tool can predict the market with certainty. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you something. What these sentiment tools actually do is help you see shifts in market mood faster than scrolling through 50 news articles yourself. It's a research shortcut, not a crystal ball. Used correctly, this becomes one more piece of information in your decision-making, not a replacement for your own judgment. Section 5, Tool 4. The fourth tool is an AI budgeting and cash flow assistant. And I know what you're thinking, budgeting apps aren't new, but the AI versions do something different. Instead of just tracking what you spent last month, they predict what's coming. For example, these tools can flag that based on your spending pattern, you're likely to be short on cash in 12 days, before it actually happens. That's the difference between reacting to a financial problem and preventing it entirely. This matters because building wealth isn't only about investing well, It's about not bleeding money out through decisions you didn't even realize you were making. Section 6 Tool 5. And the fifth tool, the one that ties everything together, is AI-powered goal-based investing platforms. Instead of just throwing money into a generic index fund and hoping for the best, these platforms let you set a specific goal, say buying a house in 7 years or retiring at 60, and they build and adjust a strategy specifically around that timeline. The AI constantly recalculates based on market conditions, your contributions, and your target date, adjusting risk automatically as you get closer to your goal. This is the kind of personalized strategy that used to require a dedicated financial planner. Now it's built into an app most people have never heard of. Section 7, the risk section. Now, before you go download every app I just mentioned, I need to be straight with you about something. None of these tools guarantee profits. Anyone promising guaranteed returns, whether it's a person or an app, is not being honest with you. The market carries risk, period. What these tools do is remove some of the guesswork and give you access to strategies that used to be reserved for people with a lot of money and a personal advisor. But you still need to do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and never put in money you can't afford to lose. So here's the real takeaway. The 5 tools we covered today: portfolio analysis, tax optimization, sentiment tracking, predictive budgeting, and goal-based investing aren't magic, they're just better information, available faster than ever before. The people quietly building wealth with AI right now aren't smarter than you, they just started paying attention a little earlier. And now that you know what they know, the only difference between you and them is what you decide to do with it starting today. If this helped you see AI investing in a new way, make sure you're subscribed, because next week I'm breaking down exactly how to set up your first AI-powered investment plan step by step. I'll see you in the next one.